Imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly ripe peach. That irresistible sweetness, it's a call from your ancient ancestors. For 2 million years, sweetness meant survival. Back then, sweet food was a life-saving jackpot. Today, that ancient instinct still whispers, more, please. Picture this. A hungry hunter-gatherer scanning the treacherous plains. Food was scarce and unpredictable. Calorie-rich meals were like rare gems. Every bite could mean the difference between survival and starvation. In a world of uncertainty, sweet and fatty foods were a jackpot. Our ancient brains learned to crave these life-saving treasures. Imagine a Stone Age child nibbling a berry, its sweetness whispering safety. Back then, sugary taste meant no toxins here. Meanwhile, bitter plants could be lethal or bland. Nature's subtle warning sign. Sweetness meant ripeness. Nature's green light to feast and fuel up. Eating sweet meant faster energy, ready to jumpstart a crucial escape or hunt. Enter the dopamine reward system, the brain's pleasure circuit. When your ancestors stumbled upon sweet or fatty foods, dopamine surged. This was the brain's way of shouting, jackpot, Bliss. It served as a reward and a memory marker, ensuring survival. Finding these foods meant the difference between feast and famine. From the moment we're born, sugar is a signal of safety. Our tiny taste buds light up like fireworks at the first sweet sip. It's a primal delight wired into us by ancient survival instincts. Sweetness meant energy without the threat of poison. In a confusing new world, it's the earliest comfort we recognize. Picture ancient humans, hungry but strategic, scanning the wild for calories. Stumbling upon ripe fruit or fatty meat was like winning life's lottery. Our bodies evolved to treasure these jackpots, storing calories as precious fat. Fat reserves meant survival through harsh winters and lean times. Today's world? A different story, but our ancient wiring remains. Imagine your ancestors, hunting and gathering with nothing but instincts and wits. They faced a harsh world where missing a meal could mean the end. Enter the thrifty gene hypothesis. Your genes became masters of fat storage. These genes helped our ancestors survive by hoarding every calorie. Today, that same genetic trick plays out in your kitchen, urging a sugar binge. Picture a world where sugar is as rare as gold. Fast forward to today. Sugar is hiding in plain sight everywhere. But the software in our brains is stuck in the Stone Age. Food companies know this and engineer sugary bliss bombs. A sweet trap. Ancient cravings unleashed in a candy paradise. Imagine finding a treasure map leading to a pot of gold, but it's candy. That's what food companies do. They hack your instincts. They blend sugars in ways that light up your brain, like fireworks. It's not just sweet, it's scientifically addictive. You're not weak. You've just got Stone Age wiring in a candy factory. Picture a modern supermarket. It's a candy-colored wonderland. Those bright labels? They're designed to hijack your ancient instincts. Sweet smells waft through the air, awakening deeply buried cravings. It's all calculated to trigger dopamine's irresistible allure. Before you know it, your cart is full, and your brain ecstatic. Imagine an army of scientists in lab coats, cooking up your next snack addiction. They're crafting flavors that light up our brains like a holiday fireworks show. Companies spend billions making foods irresistible, tasting just like victory. These engineered cravings aren't accidents, they're carefully planned profit. But at what cost? Our Stone Age brains can't resist their lure. This ancient instinct collides head-on with our modern buffet of temptation. It's not about a lack of willpower. It's evolution in action, out of place and out of time. Ancient scarcity meets today's sugary onslaught. And so, we find ourselves battling an obesity epidemic. Enter the bliss point, where flavor magic happens. It's the secret mix of sugar, fat, and salt that hooks you. Scientists calculate this bliss with mind-boggling precision. Snack companies work hard to find your pleasure peak. That's why just one potato chip is never enough. So what do you do when you're wired to crave but live in abundance? Step 1, recognize craving as an ancient survival shout, not a weakness. To quiet the shout, balance sweetness with whole foods, sneaky like a modern hunter-gatherer. Add movement, exercise to satisfy that ancient urge to roam. Finally, train your brain with mindful bites. Savor sugar like the rare treat it once was. Yet, we're not powerless against our ancient cravings. Recognizing that these urges arise from deep within our primal biology is the first step. This awareness can help us pause, reflect, and make informed choices. Mindfulness, like stopping to savor each bite, can reset our relationship with food. Education empowers us to spot when marketing targets our ancient instincts. Imagine cravings as your brain's friendly nudge, not an ironclad order. Whole Foods tame the sugar beast by offering natural, steady energy. Slowly, you retrain your brain to find joy in subtle sweetness. This rewiring dials back sugar spikes and boosts long-term satisfaction. One small choice at a time, you're syncing modern life with ancient instincts. Imagine a world where sugar is hard to find, like a rare gem. Today, it's more like drowning in an ocean of candy. Our modern environments need a sugar shield. Keeping temptation just out of reach helps us breathe. And hey, sharing helps us thrive, not just survive. Every sugar craving is your brain whispering, stay alive. Picture yourself as a caveman tracking a honeycomb. Survival gold. Today's sugar rush is the same dopamine jackpot they chased. But now, the world is a never-ending sugar buffet gone wild. So, when the sweet tooth strikes, know it's ancient history at play. Our brains are still wired, like our ancient ancestors. Only now, they face aisles of endless sugar, not scarce fruit. If unlocking these ancient instincts fascinates you, subscribe, because here at Primal You, we explore these mysteries every week. Next week, how yawning could link us all.